Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today I'm going to show you how to block Facebook calls. It's really easy and you can do it in just few steps. So without further delay, let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Here you are on the chat section of Messenger app. Tap on the conversation chat box of the person to whom you want to block from calling. Once you are at the chat section, you click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then, if you scroll down to the very end, you will see the option to block. Tap on that. Now, here you can see two options. You can either block this person from texting, calling, or sending any message. So if you tap on the block message and call, you will be only blocking a message or a call from this person. Also, you can view the stories and profile in Facebook, but if you block on Facebook, you will be blocking this person entirely from your Facebook account. To block the calls and text, tap on the first option. Again, tap on block, let it load. So there you have it. You have successfully blocked the calls and messages in Facebook Messenger app. This is it for the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.